It's a bad man thing.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Wigs to Wasteland here, and this review today is on a unit. I got high hopes for, girl. I got real high hopes for this unit. So before I get into the specs of this unit, if you are interested in purchasing the wig, then definitely check out alsamsbeauty.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. So the unit that they sent me is Miss Layla by It's a Wig. Here's her care card. Enough said, girl. Let's get into this review.
Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you.
Well, Miss Layla. Talk about a shocker with this wig. Miss Layla is a full cap wig, so there's no lace to cut on this unit, which is why this is such a shocker, because I was really not expecting to love the parting as much as I do. You will still get a slight line of demarcation, but that's nothing that got to be glued right under the part can't fix. And I absolutely love that it's a middle part in this style. This is just such a beautiful style. She is full, so you know, not too thin, not too full. She's just perfect. This is just a great year-round type of wig. So here's with all the hair to the front. You know, I'm always so conflicted over these styles because they are so pretty. I absolutely love this. It kind of gives me like that old classic, you know, old Hollywood style. Very subtle sexiness. And I'm conflicted on this style only because she tangles. She tangles, and the more she tangles, the more you lose these wonderful, beautiful waves. So you can already see she's starting to frizz up right here. She's starting to frizz up in the back. So I imagine at the end of the night, girl. But other than that, girl, y'all know I gotta be silly. But if you are interested in purchasing Miss Layla, then definitely check alsamsbeauty.com. Their information is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, girl. Let me know that you are here. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.